Premier Manufacturing pintle hitches and couplings are well known for their quality and durability, yet it's still vitally important to ensure the equipment you're running is safe and in good working condition. To help identify when a Premier coupling is showing signs of wear, our engineering team developed Premier wear gauges. The Go No-Go wear gauge set is designed for specific couplings and drawbar eyes in order to identify critical wear on both the horn and eye. Once a coupling reaches the yellow 18% wear indicator, it is recommended that a new hitch be ordered. Once a coupling reaches the red 20% wear indicator, it must be taken out of service immediately. The latch gap gauge ensures Premier latches are within spec. If the gauge does not pass through the gap, the coupling can remain in service. Premier wear gauges should only be used on Premier products. To learn more, visit premier-mfg.com.